Hi friends, so today I'm going to show you how I clean my sofa. Now I have an Ikea. So I take about 3 cups of water in a large bowl. I'm going to add 3/4 of a tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of detergent liquid. That is the liquid we use to wash our vessels, etc. And that is cooking soda. Now I'm going to take a microfiber cloth because that really helps, and I'm going to use a pot holder. You can use any size which has a round handle. So you're going to wrap the microfiber cloth around this pot holder and just tie it up with a rubber band or a hair band, something which will make it easier for you to hold on to the pot holder. Now you're going to just dip it into this solution and then just shake off all the excess liquid. And now you can see the stain that is there on my Ikea sofa. It's basically just general dirt, and I'm just going to use this and clean it. And it makes my work so much easier rather than just taking a cloth and scrubbing and squeezing the water out every time. You can see that already it has collected so much dirt. And look at this particular stain. It goes away in like seconds. You just have to scrub over it. And I like to do this once a week. It just takes me 5 minutes. And then I just let it dry under the fan for about 10 minutes. And you can see I've just cleaned like a small portion, and look at the dirt. And then after that you can just rinse the cloth in that liquid again, squeeze out the excess, and again tie the pot holder in the same manner. And I'll show you the amount of dirt that comes out in the water by just cleaning this. It's basically just general dirt and grime that happens, and just layers your sofa. And this is for the cushions that come with the Ikea sofa. Even they have got this linen material or cloth on top of it, so I just scrub that off too. And then I also like to clean this storage area once a month. At least I give it a good clean with a wet cloth. And then I let the entire sofa dry completely for about 10 minutes under the fan. And look at the dirt, guys. So in this way, I like to keep my sofa nice and clean. And of course, it becomes into a bed like this. And of course, I like to put a bed sheet on it that keeps the covers even, cleaner. So whenever we use it in the night, we put the bed sheet. And this is how you close it up and you get a sofa. So I hope this video was helpful.